Good morning, scholars. This is Miss Q, and today we're going on a trapezoid hunt. So we're going to look at our board and see if we can find any trapezoids. And after we finish our lesson, you can see if you can find any trapezoid shapes at home. But first, before we can find a trapezoid, we need to know what a trapezoid looks like. So let's count the sides, and then let's count the corners or the vertices where the sides meet to see how many. So let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many sides are there, scholars? That's right. The number is 4. And we know that because it was the last number we said when we counted the sides. So let's count the vertices now. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many vertices are there, scholars? I heard you. You said there are 4. So there are 4 vertices. So we have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Kiss your brain. So now we are going to see which one of these shapes is actually a trapezoid. So let me get my marker and let's begin. Let's look at this shape. Is this a trapezoid shape? Something almost fell. Is this a trapezoid shape? Let's count the sides and see if it's a trapezoid shape. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3. How many sides are there? That's right. The number is 3. And that's actually our number of the week. Okay, so 3 sides. Does a trapezoid have 3 sides? Think about it. Now let's count the corners. Let's count the corners to see if it has the same number of corners as our trapezoid. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. How many corners or vertices does this shape have? That's right. If you said 3, kiss your brain because 3 was the last number we said. So this shape has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So is it a trapezoid? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I see you, scholars. If you said thumbs down, kiss your brain. This shape is not a trapezoid. Put an X on that number 1. So what shape is that if it's not a trapezoid? Good job, scholars. That shape is a triangle. Triangle. So it's not a trapezoid. Let's look at shape number 2 and see if it's a trapezoid. All right, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides are there? That's right. This shape has 4 sides. It has 4 sides, just like a trapezoid. Now let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many corners or vertices does it have? Correct. It has 4 vertices too. So it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. But is it a trapezoid? Does it look like a trapezoid? One thing I notice about this shape is that it has 2 longer sides, 2 long sides, and 2 short sides. So if it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, and the sides are straight, they come straight down, and these sides are diagonal. So is this a trapezoid? No, let's put an X on that shape. So if it's not a trapezoid, what shape has 2 long sides and 2 short sides? That's right, scholars. That's a rectangle. Rectangle. Let's look at our last shape, scholars. Is this a trapezoid? First, let's count the sides. See what the number of sides is. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many sides are there? Yes, there are 4 sides, just like our trapezoid. Now let's count the corners or the vertices. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many vertices are there? 4 vertices. So this shape does have 4 sides, check, and it does have 4 vertices, check. But does it look the same as this shape? Does it have sides that are parallel? The top and bottom sides are parallel, the ones that are straight across from each other. And these sides are diagonal. They slant. It does. It looks the same. So guess what, scholars? This is our trapezoid. So we found our trapezoid. Trapezoid. And I'm going to circle that and put a check because we found our trapezoid. So today you can go on a shape hunt and see how many trapezoids you find. And you can compare your shapes to see if they are a trapezoid or not, if they get a thumbs up or if they get a thumbs down. So I enjoyed talking to you this morning, scholars. Have a great day. I love you. And don't forget, success is your only option.